Today I want to talk about vitamin C and how beneficial it is for your skin. So we eat a lot of fruit and vegetable high in vitamin C. Our body absorbs it through their small intestine, but it takes what it needs and the rest is excreted. The vital organs also take a lot of the vitamin C that we consume, so not a lot of it gets to the skin. In a younger skin, there is more vitamin C stored in comparison to an older skin. So with radiation, aging, reduction in the collagen, the amount of vitamin C gets less and less. So from the age of 30, if you can apply a vitamin C serum, it's going to give you more benefits. So the type of benefits I'm talking about is, first and foremost, vitamin C is a great antioxidant. It's very powerful in neutralizing free radicals in the environment, either from UV radiation, pollution, smoking, or any other causes. What it does, it will donate one of its electrons to the new, free radical and stabilize it so that it doesn't cause the damage. But having that function also makes it very unstable. So if you expose vitamin C to the air, that it starts oxidizing by itself, and then it changes color from being a clear to a straw colored liquid to a brown liquid. Now you wouldn't want to put that end product, which is that brown liquid, on your skin because it's not going to give you any skin benefits. That vitamin C has to be fresh and active when you use it. The other role vitamin C has is to do with collagen production. So collagen is a protein that's in our muscles, tendons, ligaments, skin, etc. Vitamin C increases the production of certain types of collagens that's found in the skin, and it also increases as well as the amount of collagen, it also improves the linking of these collagen fibers so that we have a nice matrix. So it gives the skin a lot of bounce and improved texture. So when we apply the vitamin C, it's a very small molecule. It gets absorbed through the skin as long as the skin is a little bit acidic for it to absorb the vitamin C. But the active vitamin C gets through very quickly and has its effect on the skin. It does also have a role with pigment suppression. So when I treat people with melasma or hyperpigmentation or age-related skin pigmentation, we use the vitamin C to reduce that pigmentation and lift some of that pigmentation away. So it's used in the protocol as part of the full skincare regime for that benefit. And then overall, vitamin C has an important role with immune function and anti-inflammatory function, which is to do with the skin as well as the body in terms of preventing disease, cancers, etc. So it's a good vitamin to use on the skin. The other thing to remember is to do with the percentage of vitamin C. So the ideal percentage should be between 10 and 20%. So anything less than 10% is ineffective in producing effects, and more than 20% can irritate the skin. So bearing in mind, when you first start using vitamin C, you can get some redness and some tingling sensation, but that subsides with use and it's not normally a problem. The only people who have trouble with using vitamin C would be someone who has active acne. They might find that vitamin C is not suitable for their skin, so it's best to avoid if you have active acne. But if you've got acne scarring, old acne, then vitamin C is really good to stimulate the collagen and also to help with the pigmentation problem. So I just want to talk about the products I use at Skin Enhanced Clinic. So Obagi Medical have vitamin C as vitamin C serum as a pre-mixed liquid at 10%, 15% and 20%. They also have a professional C serum, which is sun care, which has got a broad spectrum sunscreen in it, and also the peptide complex, which has got vitamin C and peptides. Lumiere have combined vitamin C with vitamin E because that's also an antioxidant, and by combining it together you potentiate the effect of that antioxidant activity, and also they've included a peptide in the mix, and it comes as a freshly made product ready for use, so ready to use when you want it. So the powdered vitamin C is at the top and the serum's at the bottom. You would activate it by pressing down and mixing the product, and then that bottle you would use for roughly about 4 to 6 weeks, and then you'd make up a fresh one when you're ready to use the next one. That maintains its stability, and the vitamin C percentage in that one is 15%. Zero Skin Health have an anhydrous vitamin C. That's 10% vitamin C and then a stable form of vitamin C as well. And the technology they've used is something called anhydrous, which means it hasn't got any water in the product. When we apply it on our skin, the moisture on our skin activates it and activates the product, and therefore it remains fresh when we're using it. So those are the products that I use. I'm sure there are lots of other ones in the market that you can pick. So like I said, vitamin C is an amazing product to use on the skin. It's best used in the morning after cleansing and toning, and before you put your sunscreen on, and then it has this huge antioxidant effect, which sort of improves the effect of the sunscreen because you're layering it under the sunscreen. You can use it at night, but if you use any retinol products, then they cancel each other out. So it's best to use the vitamin C in the daytime and then the retinol at night. But if you don't use any retinol or vitamin A product in the form of retinol, then you can use it morning and night time. I hope that's been helpful. Thank you for listening.